Step 1. Draw the margin. First, we will take a white drawing paper. We will draw the margins around the white paper. The margins should be drawn keeping half an inch, so that the margins are equal. Step 2. Draw a picture of a panda's head. The panda's head is exactly like a rectangle. Hope every child knows how to draw rectangles. Step 3. Draw a picture of a panda's ear. Now we will draw 2 ears of panda. The 2 ears will be on either side of the head. Panda's ears will be round, and the edges must be high and low. Step 4. Draw panda's face, nose, eyes, and eyebrows. The panda's eyes will be square. Inside the 2 squares, we have to make a small square again, and inside it, we have to draw a small circle. The panda's nose will be round, and to draw a face like an arrow, draw the eyebrows above the eyes. Step 5. Draw the body and legs of the panda. The structure of the panda's abdomen looks exactly like an oval, so children can easily draw pictures of the abdomen. We have to draw a picture of his legs under his stomach, and the panda has shoes and socks on his feet, just like humans. Step 6. Draw panda's hands and clothes. We will draw 2 beautiful small hands of panda, and the panda will draw a picture of his shirt on the body. Drawing these clothes will make the panda look more beautiful. Kids can easily draw panda's hands because it is very easy to draw hand pictures. Step 7. Draw a football picture and paint the area around the 2 ears and the palms of the hands and leg. The panda will use black to color the 2 beautiful ears. We'll use black color to color the area around the eyes. Panda will paint both eyebrows black. The palms of the hands and the feet should be painted black. To give another color, the panda will keep his hands empty. The panda should draw a football under his left hand, and will score goals in football. Everyone has seen football and can easily draw a football. Step 8. Paint the panda shirt. Each of you will use red to dye panda clothes. If you paint red, the beauty of the panda will look incomparable. It is better to use red to enhance its subtlety. You can use other colors. Care should be taken so that the red color does not go out of the outline. Panda will use red and blue colors on both hands of the shirt. Give red and blue color to the pants too. Rub the panda's ear palms around the eyes and the color used on the eyebrows with tissue paper. Step 9. Paint the panda's face, nose, shoes, shirt, hands, football. Paint the panda shoes blue. The collar will use blue and red colors. The panda will give the nose a black color on the face and will use a light blue color on the face. And we'll use black in football. Step 10. Paint the grass, eyes and give the border with black markers. And the panda will use black to give the boundaries of the whole body. And use black in the eyes. The panda is drawing now. Use the color blue. Draw the grass, as if standing on the grass. Look, kids, we started and finished drawing pandas very easily. We make drawing as easy as possible for kids to succeed.